guys, welcome back to Malika'S kitchen. Today I have here my mother.
Hello.
We have daddy here in the background cooking.
Alright. That's a dry eye daddy.
Yes, daddy's a bit shy, so yes. So today what we're going to be making is Christmas cake, or what we also call it Christmas pudding, right? So mommy here and I will be making the cake together, right? And we're just going to be showing you how we do it here, homemade, right? Or homemade Christmas.
From scratch.
From scratch.
No cake mix.
No cake mix, right? So I pre-measured my ingredients, some of them that is. I used 2.5 cups, 2.5 cups of butter and 3 cups of sugar, right? So we're going to be using our mixer. Mommy here is showing you the butter that we prefer to use for our cake.
So our choice of butter is the anchor butter.
Yes.
The best, okay? But you can always feel free to substitute.
Right, yes. Any butter of your choice. So what we're going to use now is our mixer, and we're going to be mixing our butter and sugar together. Mommy here will be doing that.
Okay, let's talk about what we have here.
Oh, we're talking about our ingredients first. Okay, so we also have some other ingredients that are essential for every fruit cake, right? Mom will show you these ingredients now. We have
as I mentioned before, the anchor butter. We have our red label wine, and of course you can always substitute. It doesn't have to be red label.
As long as it's fruit wine.
Right, the good Jamaican white rum, the best in the world. Mixed spice, browning, and of course baking powder. All right.
And here beforehand, what we did was to pre-soak our fruits about 24 hours in advance.
Right.
The following day, what we did was to steam it and then blend it. So we have a puree kind of fruits here, blended and everything. I'm going to show you a clip of that. So I'm going to insert the clip right about now.
Fruits include raisins, prunes. What else, ma'am?
Raisins, prunes, and cherries.
Raisins, prunes, and cherries, right?
Yes.
All right, and of course you can add more. Yes. There are persons who will add mixed peel to their currant, right? But we prefer to stick with raisins, prunes, and the cherries.
Yes, we like it simple.
Good.
Right? Sugar and anchor butter. Cracking the egg, whisking everything together and adding it to our egg,
and butter, the mixture.
no, the butter and sugar mixture.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to be adding our egg to our sugar and butter mixture, and we're going to be mixing again.
Okay, so we have here the mixture, and this consists of the sugar, the butter, and the eggs. All right, it's creamy, creamy,
Nice,
creamy,
rich,
creamy,
creamy.
creamy. It has to be.
Yes.
I mean, everything has to be mixed out. So we don't want to see any lumps whatsoever. So at the end of the day, when you touch this mixture, it should be as smooth as ice cream. Okay,
Yes.
good. So we're at that stage now. We're going to be adding our flour.
Yeah.
All right.
And our flour is pre-sifted.
Added that we're going to be using 3 3/4 cups of flour.
Yes.
All right. The flour is pre-sieved.
Pre-sifted.
All right.
Yes.
So we got rid of all the lumps. Okay.
Yes.
The package says it's pre-sieved, but if you want to do it over them, that's fine. But we're satisfied with what we have here. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to be adding the flour to our mixture.
And we'll be starting to mix now.
All right.
Right?
So with the flour, we're going to be adding our baking powder.
So 5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Sure.
No, I'm not finished. This is 3,
Okay.
3 and a half,
Oh,
4,
okay.
4 and a half,
Oh,
5.
good.
Pour some, please. Wait a minute, scrape off the sides. So we're going to be adding our pureed fruits.
Right.
So when steaming, what we did was to use 6 cups of red label wine and a half cup of
White rum.
Yes, white rum. So yes, when we steam, we blend it and everything. This is how our pureed fruits look, right? So we're going to be adding that to our mixture now,
Right.
or rather our batter, and we're going to be continuing to mix.
Okay. What we could maybe do is share the amount.
Yeah, we're not
For the
putting
fruits.
everything in at once.
Right.
you
Right.
know,
So we're going to be
gradually.
sharing.
Yeah.
It was 2.5 pounds of raisins.
Yes, 2.5 pounds of raisins and 2.5 pounds of prunes, 1 pound of cherry.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right.
Switching roles.
Yes. Okay.
Closer if you want.
All right. Go ahead, Malika.
So while mom is greasing the tins behind me with butter and then lightly flouring it, I'll be adding the browning. So what the greasing does, it prevents the mixture from sticking while baking. So that when your cake comes out, it can easily pop right out of the tin. So I'm going to be adding my browning right now.
Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
No, me just say it. Sometimes you gets wrong.
So I'm gonna add the little one.
No sé what you put me around for.
No, because daddy said daddy going to kill it rum.
No, sir.
Because I remember last year when I did it
Everybody.
like this, and your mommy said, add more rum, it's too weak.
Well, that's what cakes are for.
I want to rummy. Strong. Do you want to try it or?
Eh?
You try. You think it needs more browning?
it is. No, let me know.
Mommy, you want drum food? It sounds like it's going up now.
Alright, so we're going to now pour the finished batter in the cake tin, and the oven is set at 250 degrees, and the cake normally takes an hour and a half for baking.
Yes.
Alright?
Okay. I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees, and it's going to be baking for 90 minutes. Right? When the cakes are finished, you'll see Mommy back again and we'll show you the finished product.
So we have here the finished product. Malika, would you like to share? Boy, job well done. I'm proud of you, my daughter. Proud of you, proud of you. Thank you for inviting me, Mal, and I sincerely hope that another invitation will be coming soon, hopefully Christmas Day.
Definitely.
It was a pleasure. It was indeed a pleasure.
And it was a pleasure having you, Mommy.
Good, Mal.
So yes, that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching until the end of the video, and I hope you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you.